Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO X300 and let me share with you how to add the fingerprint to this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find security and privacy. Then let's go to device unlocking and tap on fingerprint. Here you can immediately decide for what you want to use the fingerprint for, or simply tap on add fingerprint, it's up to you. And before, we will have to add the screen lock. If you've got one, you will be transferred to another step. If not, you have to do it right now. So let me quickly set the pattern. Okay. And now we have to put our finger on the sensor and move it around, so the scanner will be able to read the data. So just tap on Enroll now. Okay, got it. And here put our finger on the sensor, and now as you can see we have to just roll it or move it around, so the device will be able to record everything. We just did it, so just tap on OK. Here we've got more options. So here lock screen fingerprint icon, you can choose the style. Here fingerprint recognition, so you can also choose the animation. Show icon on off screen, so it's up to you. You can tap screen or raise to show it, move phone slightly, or do not display it at all. Here we've got our fingerprint, we can add another or verify fingerprints. And the most important thing is to lock our device and check if it is working. So let me lock it. Here we've got the sensor, so let me put my finger on it, and as you can see the device is unblocked, which means that we just successfully added the fingerprint to it. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.